Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby, along with co-host James Mason. Good morning, James. How are you doing today?
Todd, good morning. I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well also. Got a special something for the boys today, boys and girls. Thought we would relive this.
Here. I'm just so fucking sick and tired of trying to constantly explain and teach to retail traders.
It's one of my favorite moments of StockCast.
Oh, and that's the mild part.
We couldn't play it yesterday because Alana was listening.
Oh man, tell you. I mean, hell, we might as well just talk about that stupid fucking letter.
Oh my God. I got the letter and I wrote a letter to Bob, Mel, and Teresa, and I addressed it to all three of them and the predictive team. And my subject line was embarrassing. And I said, this is actually, I'll read it to you guys. It's that good of a letter. So this is embarrassing that you sent in a letter from May of this year for your meeting this week. I know for a fact that a lot of investors are hoping for some positive news to move the price of the stock above $1. This is a mistake that does not instill confidence that has already rocked from the drop in price over the last year. As an investor in the stock market, one of the traits I look at is leadership character, meaning leadership that speaks clearly and delivers as promised. Then I blah, 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 blah about my position. And then my final line was, please pull it together. The details matter, and many investors, including myself, are looking for some great news that will add value to the shareholder's stock price. And I was hot. The response came quickly. The response came 10 minutes later. Thanks for the email. Broadridge posted the wrong letter, and we are working with them to send out the correct one ASAP. We also believe that details matter. No, this is not reflective of our team at POAI. Yes, it is. How the hell did Broadridge get this letter?
Yeah, they sent it to them. Those vendors are just not collecting everybody's old PRs and shit.
And holding on to them.
Like, the lack of, like, how they just feel like they can just not take accountability and just be like, yeah, man, we fucked up. Like, yeah, we know you guys screwed up because that vendor just did not, keep an old article.
100%. So they really have two choices in that situation. Yep, we effed up and we're clowns. Own it, grab it, embrace it, or deflect it. Which I haven't sold it in my positions, and I'm not looking to sell. And I'm not looking to sell no matter what they say tomorrow, unless this rockets out and hits the price target or what I'm hoping for it to get one day. But it just makes me pissed off that I've invested so heavily in such a shit leadership of a company. And I hope they're listening so they can hear just how frustrated we are. Like, this is just from their investor team early on before they brought their marketing person on. Just seems to be like a used car salesman approach to this whole process.
Honestly, like, I swear it's self-sabotage.
Yeah, and fuck, how much more you want to drop the price? Like,
exactly. Like how many more fuck ups can you guys do? Like why is it every step of the way a fuck up? Like, why can you guys not do one fucking thing correctly? And again, like, it feels like self-sabotage. Like, it feels like someone's going out there and just like, man, nah, let's just see how much worse we can make it for them. Let's screw this up. Every fucking step, like, Jesus, guys, come on.
Well, I always think of it in terms of, like, what's what's the end game looking for something like that? We're trading at 45 cents, 44 cents, 43 cents. Like, you're going to drop this down to pennies? I mean, like, there's no meat on the bones. Like, it's time to run it the other direction. Yeah, this is a headache. So
honestly, like I don't know exactly what they're gonna say tomorrow in their conference call, but like, let's be real, guys. Like, if they're not giving us like some substance, like what have they been doing this entire damn time? And then the whole bullshit of, oh, just working on blah blah blah. You know, like, come on. We've heard that bullshit for the last year and a half. We've heard the whole bullshit of, we got deals on the table. Man, let's be real. Those deals don't take a year and a half to turn into some damn contracts. Stop fucking lying to us. If you have deals on the table, make them happen. If you don't have deals on the table, then stop saying you have fucking deals on the table. And that's the shit. I mean, that's just like the basic level shit that they have said to us. Man, that's the shit that just like infuriates me about all this.
yeah, so I'm with Brian's comment here. I was gonna talk about, I don't expect strong news to come from the call tomorrow. Yeah, I do expect it to be, my biggest fear is that I don't want them to talk about a reverse split. If that comes up, that's going to be that's not going to bode any confidence. But then again, because they can't even get the right email sent out in the first try, pretty much anything they say, I can't trust. Good or bad.
I'm to that point.
Good or bad. So the only thing I can trust right now is when I look at the price action and I see the price moving forward. I can trust that because that's a real action that's not in their control. SJ, I don't agree with that. If they say reverse split, people won't pull their position though instantly. Some will try to do that, but I think that there's a lot of people who are married to this, well, like I am, that will ride this out.
Like, man, I could honestly just rant about this shit just because this ticker's just been an absolute nightmare. I swear to God, like I feel like I'm more concerned about their company than they are about themselves. You know, like, and going back to what I was saying in the beginning of the show, like every step of the way, it's just like a screw up. You know, they can't get right. I'm just like, come on, guys. Like, you guys can't get the basic shit right at all. And really, like, I wish there was a way to remove certain people from the board easily. That would be a good first step. They're honestly, Predictive Oncology has leaders, has people on the board who are incompetent, and they need removed. Just the complete disorganization of everything. The bullshit of, oh, it's not our fault with this vendor stuff in the letter. I mean, the small details matter. Small details are actually what create big things. And if you can't get the small shit right, you ain't gonna get the big shit right.
Agreed.
And it's just like, how much fucking time do you motherfuckers need, you know? And that's what really pisses me off. If they come out tomorrow with just some lame ass, same old bullshit of, yeah, guys, you know, we're looking to do this. We got deals on the table. Man, that's the same shit you guys have been saying in the last year and a half. You know what? Maybe it's time someone fucking looks into y'all. That's just all I have to say. I mean,
the only plausible explanation for what we're experiencing is there is something brewing. There is something pending that we don't know about. And they can't talk about it for whatever reason, whatever rules, legalities, and they're just casual about their whole process here because they know that on a certain day coming forward, something's going to happen. That's and that makes sense to me. That makes sense in the stock market. That makes sense in Wall Street world. So, and that happens often. As a PR will get dropped this afternoon or this morning, and for some other company, and you'll see it make a 150% runner, 300% runner, 500% runner because they put a deal place. Well, clearly, we're all waiting for that.
I hope it happens before Ilana graduates high school. That's all I got to say.
Me too.
Jeez, like, I'm so sick and tired of this stock. I'm so sick and tired of dealing with the leadership of predictive oncology. Whatever happens in the future, man, it better be fucking rockets. Like, seriously. If it's just some petty minor shit, man, I'm gonna fucking lose my mind on these people. All the bullshit that they've said to us, all the fucking emails, I'm gonna start making that shit come back up in their face. I'm just tired of it. Like, I believe in what they've created based off of their SEC filings and everything that they've said. But I mean, I understand being left in the dark as a shareholder for obvious reasons. But you can't keep us in the dark forever. Like, we need to see some damn results. It's far too long without results. Well, you know, we've had a lot of promises from them, and we haven't gotten shit. And you know, when they talk, this is what kills me too. When they talk, they try to talk so positive, like guys, you should be happy. Look what we've given you. We've done this, we've done that. We bought Z Predictive. Like, that'd be like me going out to the person who cuts my fucking grass and be like, man, why are you complaining? Look at how nice this grass is. You know what kind of grass this is? You know what strain of grass this is? You should feel privileged that you get to cut someone's yard in a neighborhood like mine. You know, that kind of shit, you know? Like, you can't sit there and boast to the person who's at the bottom on what you've acquired and shit. Like, predictive bind Z. Predictive oncology bind Z Predictive. You know, because they boast about this. I'm saying this, and it was a missing piece to their puzzle. And again, I'm only bringing this up because it's just one of the things that they've like boasted about as their accomplishments. Like, them boasting about that, just like, why do you think we should be happy about it? Like, oh shit, man, predictive oncology just bought Z Predictive. Man, we don't give a shit. It didn't do nothing for our damn PPS value. If it ain't doing nothing for the stock price, it ain't doing shit. Let's be honest. And if it ain't doing anything for the stock price, then Wall Street don't give a shit. So like the shit that they thump their chest on and everything, like, we can't sit here and be happy when we've just been eating crap for the last year and a half. Like they need to stop that bullshit. Like if they don't really like have results, they just need to stop fucking with us and just be honest about it. Like, hey guys, we don't have no fucking results. We don't plan to have any fucking results for X amount of time. And stop with the sugarcoating shit of, guys, we have deals on the table right now. You know, all that shit of or soon. You know, soon, guys, you guys are gonna be so happy with the stock price. Like, I don't know how they define happiness, but that's not how I define it.
Well, yeah. So I was in a decent mood today until James and I started talking about
Man,
this.
I'm telling you, like, I was in a decent mood until you brought it up, and now I'm just going like, this is, man. I'm just gonna keep rolling with it if I just keep talking.
Yeah, I have nothing more today. We're almost 10 minutes to the market, so it is what it is.
But yeah, earnings after hours today. The thing is, like, I'm pretty sure that's what I think they tweeted it. I'm not sure. I can't remember where I saw the time frame. Let me see. I just want to verify. There's so many different sites are saying different things. All right. Well, I assume. Let's see. Hold on. August the 11th. Okay. Yeah. So earnings after hours. So I mean, we'll see. I don't expect anything significant in earnings. If there was anything significant in earnings, it would be a damn surprise, which would be nice for a fucking change. Because the only surprises we've had.
There shouldn't be any negative surprises with the earnings call either.
And that's the shit that worries me. There shouldn't be, you know?
Right.
But damn, like I'm not one to bash my investment because there's nothing good comes out of it. But man, I'm fed up with this stock. Just fed up that, you know, these people just can't get their shit together.
Right.
Yeah, so that's all I have to say about Predictive right now. I mean, I'll have to see. I might actually live stream. Actually, you know what? I'm going to live stream the conference call tomorrow. We'll just have to see what baloney that they bring up. Well,
all right, we're under 8 minutes, about 7.5. Do you have anything else?
Nah, man. Now I'm just gonna be pissed off thinking about Predictive all day.
Sorry.
I'm really gonna open that fire up. If I look at my P&L, if I open up my main account and look at that P&L, man, whole load of emotions will start to take over.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, all right. Have a good day trading. Be safe. Be smart. Sorry we brought the Debbie Downer version down today, but a little frustrated.
Pissed off, man. I'm just pissed off.
And again, I'm pissed off at myself as much as anyone because I'm so heavily into this, and that's my choice. And so I'm talking about owning it, and embracing it. That's me owning it. All right. Happy Thursday.
Yep. All right, everybody. So yeah, I'm gonna stream tomorrow's conference call. just kind of help everybody out. Also, too, so we have a place to talk while the conference call is going. See what they have to come up with. Also, too, with them releasing earnings, if anything significant comes out on it, you guys know that. I'll keep you guys updated. But other than that, appreciate you tuning in. And we'll just have to see what predictive gives us today and tomorrow. So we will catch y'all in the next one.